I'ma still be like this. Comfort zone.
We
season, we cook it, we eat it. Season, we cook it, we eat it. Hey,
a drizzle, a pop, a drizzle, a pop, a drizzle, a drizzle, a drizzle, a pop.
Hey y'all, hey, welcome back to the channel. I appreciate you guys for joining me today. Today is a special day. I will be doing a collab with an awesome content creator. She is truly a beautiful woman. I am thankful to have met her. We were on a journey of doing healthy moments journey with a few other YouTubers. You know, the queen of Crazy's life. May you rest in peace, sis. It was a blessing to do this healthy moments journey with you ladies and Sister Fifi. We made some great dishes and it was just truly amazing. So they did a balloon releasing for the queen this weekend for her birthday, and it was beautiful. So we miss you on these streets. You were just truly an uplifting and inspiration to these YouTube streets. And my prayers go out to everyone who is, you know, going through and lost loved ones. It is Happy Friday. I didn't mean to come with a sermon, but it is my inspiration day. But I'm doing a collab today, right? So you all stay blessed. I love each and every one of you guys who I came in contact with. Non-content creators and creators, you are amazing, and this is a journey that I look forward to continue pushing with each and every one of you guys, and I truly am happy to have most of you in my life. So all right, let me not get so emotional, because I am getting emotional. Let's wrap it up. What we making tonight? What we making tonight is, guys, we're making some shrimp pesto tortellini pasta. I am doing a collab with today is Bless Rowe. I said that she can cook and truly is a beautiful queen. You have to go check her out after this video. Make sure you go check her out. I believe she will be before me at 5 p.m. today. When you're done over here, please go and check out my girl Bless Rowe and see what she's over there making. All right, so I'll be right back. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, guys, and let's get into this video. All right, guys, welcome back. So we have our spinach and cheese tortellini, some fresh broccoli. We have some super colossal shrimps. We have our Parmesan cheese. We have some fresh thyme and fresh parsley. And we have some minced garlic, some red onions, some red peppers, sliced red peppers. We have olive oil, herb de Provence, peppercorn medley, complete seasoning, pesto, onion and garlic powder, and red pepper flakes. So this is all the ingredients we will be using for this dish. So stay tuned. I will be right back to get this started. So I showed you the seasoning, and these are our shrimps that I seasoned already. So those are ready to go. Our tortellini noodles have been boiled and ready to go. Use about 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil, and you're going to put it in your saucepan there. And let it heat up. Alright, guys, so let's add our onions. Y'all know I love onions, right? And you know I love garlic. Yes, indeed. So we can go in a little bit with our Peppercorn Medley. I'll sprinkle a little bit more complete seasoning in here. I am going to add some more red crushed pepper flakes. Just a little bit. Because the shrimps have, you know, enough with that on there as well. And just before we add the garlic, let's go ahead and add our broccoli to the mix. Because we do want this to cook down a little bit as well. You can add anything to these dishes. Make it your own. You would truly, truly love it. Alright guys, so I'm going to let this cook down a little bit more. But I am going to come in with my parsley now. Little parsley. Cook it down a little bit more. Then we're going to come in with our garlic. I know, I'm dirty. My finger's clean. Don't worry about it. And I'm putting in all the garlic. I done told y'all, I love garlic. You can add, as you know, a little bit more oil. I added about another tablespoon of oil. Okay. And as soon as you smell the aroma of the garlic, you're going to go ahead and add in your shrimps. And all that good seasoning. And this is when I want to come in with a little bit more olive oil. You know what you need when you are in this kitchen cooking. Okay, baby? I hope you guys are having a blessed day. I appreciate each and every one of you guys for watching my last video. I want to see what Blessed Ro is over there cooking up. Because I know she's making something good. I'm just going to add a little bit. Just a little bit of vegetable broth. Okay? My bad. Chicken broth. I don't have any more vegetable broth. And by the way, we've been cooking on medium-high heat. And I didn't have any white wine. So I think this chicken broth will be just perfect. And so as soon as these get pink, we're going to go ahead and take this off the heat. And we're going to add in our tortellini, our pesto. So we removed our pan from the heat. You're going to need about 4 tablespoons of pesto. I showed y'all what pesto I was using. Right. You're going to stir this in really well. And I'll be back with the finished dish, guys. Alright, before I go, we are going to splash it with a little bit of lemon juice, okay? So, do as you please with the dish. Alright guys, there you have it. So this is our garlic pesto shrimp tortellini dish. I am just going to garnish it with a little bit of parsley. We don't need much because you see it's heavily seasoned. Then we're going to come with a little Parmesan cheese on top. Yes. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. This is truly a delicious dish for you to make for your family. I hope you try it. So I'm gonna have Jazzy give it a taste. Don't forget to, if you feel your heart feels content to do so, go ahead and subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so you can be reminded of when I come to you with the next video. And thank you so much, Blessed Ro, for the opportunity of doing this collab with you. I truly enjoyed this and appreciate it, and I can't wait to see what you are cooking up in your kitchen. So much blessings to you, Blessed Ro. And guys, don't forget to go over there and check out her channel and see what she created with her strengths. Alright? So let's see what Jazzy think. Hey girl. So Jazzy is about to give us a taste test of what this tastes like. So I hope she likes it. So, say hi, girl.
Hi. I'm going to taste this, all right? Let's take a look at this real quick.
Ooh.
All right. And I'm going to dig on in. Grab at least some pasta and... All right. Cheers. That was real good.
We have to have pesto in a minute instead of pesto burgers. So it's kind of good.
Yes, the peppers are still crunchy. Shrimp is good. The pesto goes well with the cheese and the cheese inside of the tortellini. It's not overwhelming. It's just like a subtle, smooth cheese taste, you know. Nothing too in your face, you know. Right.
Well, guys,
season, we
so
cook
there
it,
you
we
have
eat
it.
it. Hey, for season, we cook
Taste
it, we eat it. Hey,
of this delicious dish.
sizzle and pop,
So,
sizzle and
I
pop,
hope you guys
sizzle,
try this at
sizzle,
home.
sizzle and
And
pop.
once
Jill
again,
comfort
thank you for
zone.
watching. And
Jill comfort zone.
video.
For season, we cook it, we eat
Love
it.
you guys.
For
Stay
season, we
blessed.
cook it, we eat it.
I love
For
you.
season, we
And
cook it, we eat it. Hey,
Peace out.
bring the flavor.
Later.
Bring the flavor. Jill comfort zone. Jill comfort zone. Sizzle and pop. Sizzle and pop. Sizzle, sizzle, sizzle and pop.